Redken Color Extend Magnetic Shampoo is my #1 pick. But choosing an everyday cleanser when you need toning, lightening, or curl care wastes money. Match your color goal before choosing your formula. Number 9. Curlsmith Essential Moisture Shampoo. Colored curls feeling rough after every wash need a different approach. I'd choose this when softness and curl definition matter more than a powerful cleansing sensation. Its gentle cleanser preserves natural oils and creates a soft, creamy lather. So you avoid that squeaky finish many curl routines don't need. But guidance for different curl patterns, porosity levels, and wash schedules isn't provided. That leaves some routine matching to you. Skip it when heavy buildup is the main problem. It's also wrong for purple toning or gradual lightening. Number 8. Frieda Go Blonder Lightening Shampoo. Want lighter looking blonde hair without adding a separate routine step? I'd consider this only when your hair already leans blonde or highlighted. It gradually enhances lighter tones with continued use, making it a low-effort option. However, it's an enhancer rather than a controlled toner. That means results can vary, and warmer tones may appear. I wouldn't choose it for faded, uneven, or carefully matched color. Skip it when you need predictable control over a specific shade. A dedicated toner fits that job better. Number 7. CeraVe Gentle Hydrating Shampoo with Ceramides. If aggressive foam makes washing feel excessive, this takes the gentler route. I'd pick it for an everyday routine focused on hydration and scalp comfort. The low foam cleanser combines ceramides with niacinamide, so the wash feels restrained rather than forceful. That gentleness is also its central trade-off. You won't get the squeaky clean sensation some buyers associate with freshness. I wouldn't rely on it after heavy product use or substantial buildup. Skip it if you regularly need a more assertive reset wash. Number 6. Dove Shampoo Intensive Repair for damaged hair. Color processing and frequent heat styling can leave hair difficult to manage. I'd reach for this when softness matters more than precise color maintenance. Its formula uses proteins and amino-based ingredients, supporting a repair-oriented role for rough-feeling hair. So this is about overall condition, not adjusting your shade. The trade-off is a formula that isn't especially lightweight. I wouldn't choose it for hair that gets weighed down easily. Skip it if you need purple toning, color-specific gloss, or the lightest everyday cleanser. Number 5. Olaplex No. 4P Blonde Enhancer Toning Shampoo. This isn't a general shampoo pretending every color needs the same treatment. I'd pick it for blonde, highlighted, or balayage hair showing brassy-looking warmth. Its deep violet pigment gives it a clear purple shampoo roll, neutralizing that unwanted warm appearance. But specialization makes routine control more important. Timing, frequency, and strand check guidance aren't included here, so toning intensity needs thoughtful management. I wouldn't buy it for untreated darker shades or routine cleansing alone. Skip it if you want gradual lightening instead of neutralization. Number 4. Garnier Fructis Hair Filler Ceramide Color Repair Shampoo. Here's the practical everyday choice for dry-feeling ends without a rich finish. I'd choose it when you want a drugstore-oriented color shampoo that stays relatively lightweight. Ceramides anchor its repair positioning, while the formula aims for smoother-feeling ends. So it fits routine maintenance better than a specialized correction step. However, detailed matching for hair textures and color processes isn't available. I wouldn't assume it'll suit every coloring method equally. Skip it for dedicated toning, richer conditioning, or scalp-focused cleansing. Number 3. Oribe Shampoo for beautiful color. Dull-looking color doesn't always call for toner or heavier repair. I'd pick this when the real goal is a smoother, more reflective finish. Ginger root, baobab extract, and hydrolyzed vegetable protein support its shine-oriented formula. That makes the shampoo's role easy to understand, polish rather than shade correction. But it's positioned as a splurge, which raises the cost of keeping it in rotation. Routine guidance and ingredient concentrations aren't included either. Skip it if ongoing replacement feels excessive. I'd also pass when toning or curl care matters more than shine. Number 2. IGK More Life Color Extending Gloss Shampoo. Balayage depends on visible dimension, so a flat finish misses the point. I'd choose this for multi-tonal color that needs shine, smoothing, and a freshly glossed appearance. Its role centers on keeping highlights looking polished between appointments. So it serves appearance maintenance rather than dramatic repair or tone correction. The limitation is routine matching across different balayage tones remains unclear. Directions for use aren't included here either. I wouldn't choose it for intensive repair, blonde toning, or curl-specific cleansing. Skip it unless maintaining dimensional polish is your main goal. Number 1. Redken Color Extend Magnetic Shampoo. For regularly colored hair, this is the bottle I'd actually keep in the shower. It's moisturizing and sulfate-free, with a non-stripping wash feel suited to everyday cleansing. That broad roll makes it easier to use than specialized toners or lighteners. You aren't buying a separate correction step you may rarely need. However, wash frequency guidance and compatibility details for specific color services aren't included. So I'd confirm it fits your established routine. Skip it for purple toning, gradual lightening, or curl-focused cleansing. For everyone else, it's the most practical starting point. Choose Redken for broad everyday use, IGK for balayage polish, and Oribe for shine. Olaplex handles blonde toning, while Frieda targets gradual lightening. Curlsmith fits curls, and the remaining picks cover gentleness, repair, or lightweight maintenance. Before buying, identify whether you need cleansing, toning, lightening, shine, repair, or curl support. Then consider wash frequency, storage space, and replacement burden. Prices and formulas change, so check before you buy. I'd start with Redken for routine color care, then switch only for a specific job. Pick Olaplex for toning, Frieda for lightening, or Curlsmith for curls. Links are in the description. Shelf care. The edit your shelf actually needs. Subscribe for the next routine,